let's learn how you can improve camera quality on iPhone. So before we start, I will have to tell you that don't expect your iPhone 12 camera, for example, be same as iPhone 14 as this. These are just some improvements that can help you raise your performance while taking pictures on video on your phone. Also, I have normal non-pro version of my iPhone. So pro iPhones will have some functions that I don't have, so I can't show it. But what I can show you is, for example, if you go to settings and go to camera, it will appear a lot of options. What you can do here is to click on record the video first, then select if you want 4K at 30 FPS. That is some standard right now. But if you have a lot better iPhone, you want to select 4K at 60 FPS. And then go back, go down and click on HDR video for high efficiency. Also click on auto FPS and click on 60 if it's available. Then click on slow motion and just select these between two 1080p or 1080p with 240 FPS, this high efficiency, if you have a good phone, of course. We can go back and click on formats. Make sure you check on most compatible one. Then go back. What you can do now, go to composition section and enable this grid level and view outside of the frame. So for you it will be probably like this. Just enable these three options that will help you take pictures more beautifully. Also you can enable smart HDR and scene detection. Have in mind that while taking a picture your hand wants to be steady so it doesn't lose focus, and you will make much worse quality pictures if you are not steady or professional. Also, while taking a picture, you can have a lot of modes in camera, so make sure to check everything on that. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.